Hey, you know you gotta lift it up, right?
What are you doing, Addie? I can't see.
Her first time drinking out of a sippy cup.
Are you having some apple juice from the sippy cup?
Yeah.
Oh, just chewing on it? You're a big girl, Addie. Oh, okay.
Her shark teeth are gonna pierce
It's
it.
not a teething toy. Is it good?
Okay, put it back in your mouth.
Yeah, try again.
Hey, roundabout way of doing it, but it works.
No? No more? Good job, love bug. Good job.
You want some more?